Welcome to GasTac. Today, we're introducing the GA43204 Tailgate Assist, which perfectly replaces the DZ43204 and provides installation instructions. Say goodbye to slamming tailgates. The GA43204 ensures smooth, controlled lowering that minimizes impact and protects both your tailgate and vehicle.
The first step is to loosen the fixing screws and install the mounting brackets in the appropriate position.
Then, remove the fixing screws on the other end of the tailgate cable. Install the fastening screws of the tailgate cable onto the mounting brackets securely. GA43204 Tailgate Assist fits F150 2015-2023 models. Finally, snap the GasTac hydraulic damper onto both ends of the bracket. If there is anything else you need to know, please contact us.